How to use the chemical component search.
Are you looking for a specific essential oil? We've made tracking down the exact oil you need easy. From the Essential Oils shop menu, click Show More, and then click Chemical Components. A new box titled Chemical Components will become visible, with a drop-down menu titled Add Component. Click on the drop-down menu to begin selecting the chemical components of interest. Once you've selected a chemical component, a draggable slider will appear. Simply drag either end of the slider to specify the range of the individual chemical components you're looking for. This will filter the essential oils and reveal all of the oils containing the range of these components. You can add as many chemical components as you'd like. Keeping in mind, the more chemical components you add, the more specific your search results will become. If you'd like to remove any of the chemical component filters, simply click on the X next to the component you'd like to remove. This tool allows you to search our extensive database of products for essential oils containing the exact chemical components you need to make your blends shine.